Good morning everyone, myself Yash Shelar from Rashtramatha Jizao Defense Academy and also preparing for NDA exam. Today I would like to talk about the India's most iconic and cherished freedom fighter named Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Orissa, India. He was the ninth child of well-respected lawyer Janakinath Bose and Prabhavati Devi. Bose was a brilliant student and went on to study at the University of Calcutta, where he completed his BA in philosophy. After completing his BA, he later went on to pursue higher studies at the Cambridge University, England. It was there that he joined the Indian National Congress and began his journey toward Indian independence movement. And later during World War II, Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army INA to fight against the British for India's independence movement. And he also traveled to Japan and Germany seeking their help and support. Finally, in 1943, Japan agreed to help him from an army fight against British. And his motto for the INA was Jai Hind, which became the battle cry and the emotional support for the Indian soldiers who was fighting for the Indian independence. And then the INA fought bravely alongside the Japanese army in Burma, India. And sadly in Taiwan in 1945, Bose's life was cut short in a plane crash. His death was a great loss to Indian independence movement, but his legacy continues to inspire the Indians from generations, and today also he is a very great inspiration for many of the Indians. In conclusion, Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter and leader who dedicated his life towards our India. He never thought of himself. He dedicated his life to our Indians and towards India's independence movement. He was a great freedom fighter. In conclusion, and he was a fearless leader who never gave up in the face of adversity. At last, remembering the name of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, I would like to end my speech. And also remember that nothing is impossible in this world. Nothing is impossible in this world. The word impossible itself says I am impossible, and the greatest and the biggest diversity we can have, the desire to die for our nation, the desire to die for India so that India may live. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.